So let's take a look at how you can create broadcast group in Salesforce sales dashboard. And here you see at the top you have navigation where you have this groups tab. Okay, if it's not visible you can check for more where you may find it. Okay, in my case I have put it in top navigation and I can click on it to get the overview of groups. Now currently I don't have any form of public or private group, so I'm going to create one. So click on new. Here let's name this something like printable products catalog. So this is going to be broadcast group for catalog. I can put in catalog logs here. Okay, same will be here. This is the owner. You can also add other multiple people if you have multiple owners. Can disable automatic archiving, or you can keep it as it is. Then you have access type. Choose from that. You can choose it to be private or public. You can change that later too. So choose private. Allow broadcast only. Okay, and then save and next. Okay, you can also upload the image if you have any. I don't have anything currently. You can add members here and then click done. Okay, that should create a basic group. Here you can see printable products catalog, and here I can post, update. Okay, and then simply share. This is same like a Facebook group or your other groups. Okay, so when you have post you can do that, poll, and then questions. Okay, depending on public and private setting, it will be accessible through this URL or for external users. Okay, considering it is private, only the members within your organization will be able to use it for questions, polls, and post. Okay, there is also group email, which once subscribed you will be able to send the broadcast to the members of the groups. So you get the idea how to create broadcast group in your Salesforce sales dashboard.